Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tool Parts, the most popular tool repair show on the internet, in our opinion, of course. On this episode of DeWalt Miter Saw Repairs, we're going to be looking at the blade adapter ring. 12-inch saw blades have 1-inch arbor holes. Most miter saws have arbors that are 5/8 of an inch. Why would they do that? Who designed this? If you don't use an adapter to mount the blade, it's gonna rattle and rip apart the entire shaft. No, seriously, it's not pretty. And over time, this adapter ring will wear, which can cause the blade to wobble or vibrate. This little ring right here can save your life. Okay, probably not your life, but it will save your saw. It's an adapter that allows you to mount any 12-inch blade on a 5/8 inch arbor. If you've got a wobbly blade, your cuts will be wobbly too. Inspecting and replacing your blade adapter is something you can do yourself. If you think you're up for the challenge, grab your tools and follow me. To access the blade adapter, first I'll need to remove the blade. So I'll grab the wrench that came with the saw or a T30 Torx bit and loosen this screw to get the blade cover off. That way I can access the bolt that holds the blade in. To prevent the blade from loosening on its own, this bolt is counter-threaded. You'll actually turn it clockwise to loosen. Here you can see our blade adapter fitting snugly in this hole, converting it from a 1-inch arbor hole to a 5/8 inch. To replace it, we'll just grab our new blade adapter from mmtoolparts.com, slide it in, and reattach the blade as usual. Perfect cuts are only possible with a well-tuned saw, and even little parts like this can make a big difference. If you need any of the parts we used in this video, find them in the links below, or on our website at mmtoolparts.com, a trusted name in tool repairs for over 80 years. Let us help you keep your tools running like new. Thanks for watching. If you have anything to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one, so leave a comment below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repair. See you next time.